Welcome to our exploration of one of nature's most delicious and nutritious fruits, the pineapple. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating story behind pineapples. We'll discover the incredible health benefits they offer, from boosting immunity to promoting digestion. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by the wonder of pineapples. Let's dive in. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Beyond bromelain, pineapples also contain other compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like asthma and sinusitis. 2. Bone health. Pineapples contain manganese, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones and connective tissues. Regular consumption of pineapples may help prevent osteoporosis and improve bone density. 3. Improved digestive health. In addition to bromelain's digestive enzymes, the fiber content in pineapples supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 4. Stress reduction. Pineapples contain the amino acid serotonin, which plays a role in regulating mood and reducing stress levels. Consuming pineapples may help promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. 5. Detoxification. The high water content and diuretic properties of pineapples help flush out toxins from the body, supporting the liver and kidneys in their detoxification processes. 6. Respiratory health. Bromelain has been shown to have mucolytic properties, meaning it helps break down mucus and may provide relief from respiratory conditions such as bronchitis and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. 7. Improved blood circulation. The bromelain and potassium content in pineapples may help improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and promoting overall heart health. 8. Reduced risk of blood clots. Some studies suggest that bromelain may have anticoagulant properties, which could help prevent the formation of blood clots and reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack. 9. Alleviation of menstrual symptoms. Pineapples contain bromelain, which may help reduce menstrual cramps and other symptoms associated with menstruation by decreasing inflammation and promoting muscle relaxation. 10. Enhanced wound healing. Bromelain has been found to accelerate wound healing by reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. Applying fresh pineapple juice or bromelain supplements topically to wounds may aid in faster healing. 11. Natural diuretic. The high water content and potassium content in pineapples make them a natural diuretic, which can help eliminate excess fluids from the body and reduce bloating and water retention. 12. Alkalizing properties. Despite being acidic in taste, pineapples have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. This can help balance the body's pH levels and reduce the risk of acidity-related health issues such as acid reflux and indigestion. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of pineapples and learned something new about this amazing fruit. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos about food, health, and everything in between. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of fruits like the pineapple.